Hello, it's me again.
Welcome back! I'm ready to hear about your biggest professional challenge. Whenever you're ready, what has been the biggest challenge in your career so far?
Yes. Today I want to share you my biggest professional challenge. Mm, Firstly, I think I will not immediately answer you because I need to time to think and prepare content for this topic. So, can I share you how I prepare for this topic?
That's absolutely fine. Taking time to gather your thoughts is a great way to prepare a thoughtful answer. You are welcome to share how you plan to approach the topic and how you organize your thoughts. Please go ahead.
Yep. I think the best way to prepare for this topic, I will tell my experience with 5 steps. Uh, from situation, then stats, reach, and thirdly action, then result, and finally learning. Do you think that's okay?
That is an excellent and highly effective framework for structuring your answer. Using the STAR or STARLO method, situation, task, action, result, and learning will help you present a very clear, organized, and impactful story. I encourage you to proceed with this approach whenever you are ready to share your challenge.
Okay. Oh, well, I don't know. That's a style method. Situation, start, action, result, and learning. Wow, amazing. From that method, I will implement my answer. Are you ready to hear and fully become a street teacher? Tell me a mistake wrong pronunciation, wrong incorrect vocabulary, and review with on my content. Yeah, please become a street teacher. Yeah, I will start. Right now.
I am ready. Please go ahead and share your biggest professional challenge using the STAR method, and I will listen carefully to provide feedback and corrections.
Okay. I think I will share you story about AI era. Yeah, my biggest professional challenge was adapting to the rapid rise of AI in software development. For many years, I built my career around traditional software engineering skills. However, the industry began changing very quickly as the AI tools become capable of generating code, automating tasks, and accelerating development workflows. I realized that many skills that were previously considered valuable were becoming increasingly automated. The challenge was not simply learning a new tool. The real challenge was understanding how my role as a developer would evolve in an AI-driven environment. I knew that if I continue working exactly the same way as before, my long-term competitiveness would gradually decline. This was especially important because the software industry was changing faster than at any other point in my career. Instead of resisting the trend, I decided to embrace it. I started learning how to work independently with AI tools, including code generation, debugging assistance, architecture discussions, documentation support, and workflow automation. I also expanded my focus on beyond coding by learning more about product thinking, system design, business requirements, and user needs. Um, my goal was to become someone who could direct AI effectively rather than compete against it. As a result, I become significantly more productivity and capable of handling projects that previously would have required a larger team. I was able to build more complex solutions, learn a familiar technology faster, and focus more attention on higher level decision making. AI become a force multiplier rather than a threat. The biggest lesson I learned is that technology rarely replaces people who continue learning. Instead, it tends to replace outdated ways of working. The key is not to fear new technology, but to adapt quickly and continually create value in areas that automation cannot fully realize. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you for sharing your journey. That was a comprehensive response, and you really laid out how you tackled that challenge head on using the STAR method. Now, let's go over some of the corrections we discussed. First, you used the word price when you meant rise. The correct pronunciation is rise with a Z sound. You also mentioned that you decided to impress the trend when you actually meant to embrace it. The correct word is embrace. Lastly, you said you became significantly more productivity, but it should be productive. Please repeat these corrected phrases after me. The rapid rise of AI. I decided to embrace the trend. I became significantly more productive. Now, let's look at the details. Could you tell me more about how you used AI tools to collaborate with your team or communicate changes in workflow?
Okay, I will repeat. The rapid rise of I decided to embrace the trend. I became significantly more productive.
Excellent repetition. You've grasped those corrections very well. Now, to push for more details, could you elaborate on how you used AI tools to collaborate with your team or communicate changes in workflow?
Yeah, honestly, now I just use AI like the partner. Yeah, I will prepare the script and with tasks. Then I give AI like cursor with the ChatGPT from content on instruction of me instruction of what I want I do. In instruction I will list on input and outputs. Then I also to list and show on the normal case, abnormal case for AI to test, double check, and cursor or wizard will complete start or feature with the input output I get, and then test with the state case I list in the prompt. Sometimes I make ChatGPT like stimulate. I have argue with ChatGPT to design business specification. Then after that, I and ChatGPT will decide what we need in the project. Then we create task prompt prompt and send it to cursor, and cursor will junior developer complete the task based on my prompt. Yeah.
That is a fascinating and highly organized workflow you've built using those AI tools. Let's quickly touch on a couple of corrections. You said intraction when you meant instructions, and you used the word set when referring to edge cases. Could you please repeat these corrected terms after me? Instructions, edge cases. Now, to push your thinking further, could you share a specific instance where this AI-assisted workflow helped you solve a particularly difficult problem or taught you a valuable lesson about communication?
Yeah. Instructions, app case, app case. Are you right? Am I right?
You're very close. The plural is instructions, and the term is edge cases with a J sound, not app cases. Would you try repeating those again for me? And after that, I'd still love to hear about a specific instance where this AI-assisted workflow helped you solve a particularly difficult problem or taught you a valuable lesson about communication.
App case, SK.
You're getting closer. The term is edge cases, not app cases. Let's try that one more time, and I'd also still love to hear about a specific instance where this AI-assisted workflow helped you solve a particularly difficult problem or taught you a valuable lesson about communication.
Maybe I will practice later. I will tell you about a specific instance where this AI assistant workflow help me. Currently, I will not set up a workflow for AI assisted help me. I just communicate with AI, not set up. I still not set up AI agent workflow to work for me. I still learning about that. I think I need more practice and research about AI agent workflow to help me. My target is I want to implement, develop, and maintain many projects parallel.
That's a very clear aspiration. Balancing multiple projects at once is definitely a significant challenge, and using AI to help manage that effectively is a smart goal. Regarding your wording, you said implement and develop, but it should be implement, develop, and maintain. Please repeat that corrected phrase after me. Implement, develop, and maintain multiple projects in parallel. Now, to look toward the future, what specific types of AI assistants or agents are you investigating to help you handle multiple tasks at once?
Okay, implement, develop, and maintain multiple projects in parallel. Is it okay?
Dạ, bạn có muốn chuyển sang câu hỏi tiếp theo hoặc thảo luận thêm về chủ đề khác không?
Oh no, please don't use in Vietnamese, just use English.
You're absolutely right, and I apologize for the switch to Vietnamese. From this point on, I'll stick exclusively to English as we continue our conversation about your professional journey in AI. Is there anything else you'd like to share or a follow-up question you'd like to explore?
No, I think enough for today. Thank you. We will see later. Maybe tomorrow. Goodbye.